Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's your new travel bestie here. My name is Mary, and if you're new here, I do travel vlogs. I share travel tips, hotels, and airlines reviews. And soon I will be posting as well travel destinations because I also run my own independent travel agency now as part of my side hustle. So you're in pretty good hands. I make sure to stay up to date with the latest news in the travel world. So on today's, there is no exceptions because we're diving into something every traveler needs to know about the Aer Lingus brand new 2025 baggage allowance policy. So grab your imaginary suitcase or your real one if you're already packed. Let's get into it. There are 4 main fare types you can choose from when flying short haul with Aer Lingus: Saver, Plus, Advantage, and Airspace. So each comes with a different set of baggage allowances. So let's walk through what's included in each one. Saver fare. So this is quite popular. You can bring one small bag that can fit under the seat. Think about small bags like a laptop bag, a handbag, or a backpack. And you can also bring a 110 kilograms bag, but this is typically checked at the counter or desk. You need to check them in. You cannot bring them into the cabin overhead bin. Okay? Just take note, otherwise you will be paying extras if you bring the 10 kilos at the gate or inside. So with the Saver fare, there's no cash refunds, no cancellations allowed, and obviously you can't bring a large cabin bag like a roller case unless you're going to upgrade or choose a higher fare. But you can also do an add-ons or extras, but that means you have to pay for that extras. That's not included on the fare. Next up, the Plus fare. So a good middle ground for travelers who wants flexibility without breaking the bank. So what's included in the Plus fare? 1 small underseat bag and 1 10 kilograms cabin bag that can go in overhead bin or to be checked at the gate. And you can also bring a 120 kilograms check bag, and you have free seat selections and flight changes for a fee. So this is perfect for longer stays or if you need more packing space without going all in. So if you're going on a longer trip or traveling with family, the Advantage fare gives you even more room and flexibility. So what's included? 1 small underseat bag, 1 10 kilograms cabin bag, and 1 20 kilograms checked bag. And there is also a free seat selections including exit rows. So it's full flexibility with free flight changes. So Advantage is great if you want peace of mind and a little extra legroom. Last but not the least, the Airspace. If you want to travel in style, then the Airspace is the premium choice. So what's included in the Airspace? You can bring actually a 1 small bag that can fit under the seat, like handbag and laptop bag and all that. And you can bring a 1 10 kilograms cabin bag and 2 20 kilograms check-in bags. And you can access to the airport lounges, priority boarding, and security. You can also get a free middle seats, always empty next to you. You can have the fast track as a complimentary and also an onboard snacks. So if comfort, speed, and convenience matter the most, Airspace has you get covered. How do you choose the right fare? I think you should ask these questions to yourself. How long is your trip? Or do you need a check-in baggage? Are flexibility and comfort are important? Or are you just flying light and fast? You know, you can always customize your booking from adding bags to upgrading your seat, no matter your fare. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I do appreciate if you can hit that like and share buttons. And if you have questions, feel free to use the comment sections below. And safe travels, and I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye!